Changing your payout method on Teachable is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment preferences easily. Step 1. Log into your Teachable account. Start by signing into your Teachable account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the payouts you want to change. Step 2. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Once logged in, go to the admin dashboard. This is usually found in the top menu of your account. Look for the Settings or Account section to find payout options. Step 3. Access the payout settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Assert to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select your new payout method. Choose the option to change your payout method. You may have several options available, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Select the one that suits you best and follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new payout details, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Teachable. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Teachable support for assistance.